Hey, knowledge seekers. Welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12, your hub for transformative education. Today, we're diving into financial freedom through skill monetization. Teach in 2025. Imagine turning your expertise, whether it's cooking, coding, or coaching, into passive income that funds your financial freedom. In this video, we'll share 10 actionable strategies to monetize your skills through teaching, using 2025's top platforms and trends. Ready to teach your way to wealth? Hit that like button, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Subscribe and ring the bell for more wealth-building knowledge. In 2025, teaching your skills online is a powerful way to build passive income. Let's explore how to share your knowledge and achieve financial freedom stress-free. Start by listing your skills. Professional, like coding, or personal, like gardening. Research shows niche skills, like data analysis or mindfulness coaching, are in high demand on platforms like Udemy. In 2025, AI tools like Skill Finder analyze market trends to suggest profitable skills. Write down 5 skills you're good at and check X's #skill monetization for trending ideas. What's your top skill? Share it in the comments and let's find its money-making potential. Strategy 2. Choose the right teaching platform. Pick the best stage to share your knowledge in 2025. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable let you create and sell courses. Udemy's massive audience is great for beginners, while Teachable offers custom branding for pros. In 2025, Skillshare's subscription model pays recurring revenue for popular classes. Research platforms' payout structures. Udemy reports instructors earning $10,000 plus annually. Which platform are you trying? Drop it below and grab our platform guide in the description. Strategy 3. Create high-value course content. Make your course irresistible in 2025. Great courses solve specific problems like master Excel in 5 hours. Use a clear structure, intro, lessons, and actionable steps. In 2025, tools like Canva's video editor or Descript make professional content easy. Research shows courses with 5 hours of content and practical exercises sell best. Planning your first course? Share your topic in the comments. Strategy 4. Price your course for profit. Get paid what your knowledge is worth in 2025. Pricing depends on platform and audience. Udemy suggests $20, $100 for broad appeal, while Teachable courses can go higher for niche topics. In 2025, dynamic pricing tools adjust rates based on demand. Offer discounts sparingly. Studies show consistent pricing builds trust. How will you price your course? Tell us below. Strategy 5. Market your course on social media. Spread the word to millions in 2025. Promote your course on X, TikTok, or Instagram with short teasers. Share tips related to your course, like a coding hack, to attract students. In 2025, X's #LearnWithMe hashtag and TikTok's algorithm favor educational content. Studies show 30% of course sales come from social media. Promoting on social media? Share your strategy in the comments. Strategy 6. Build evergreen courses for passive income. Create once, earn forever in 2025. Evergreen courses like Beginner's Guide to Photography stay relevant for years. Avoid dated content like 2025 tax laws, and focus on timeless skills. Platforms like Teachable host courses indefinitely, paying you monthly. In 2025, AI tools update course content automatically, keeping it fresh with minimal effort. Got an evergreen course idea? Drop it below. Strategy 7. Offer live workshops for extra income. Boost earnings with real-time teaching in 2025. Live workshops on Zoom or Teachable supplement course income. Charge $50, $200 for 2-hour sessions on niche topics like advanced SEO tactics. In 2025, platforms integrate AI chatbots to handle registrations, making it stress-free. Research shows live sessions can double your student retention. Planning a workshop? Share your topic in the comments. Strategy 8. Use AI to scale your teaching. Let tech do the heavy lifting in 2025. AI tools like Descript auto-edit videos, while Quizlet's AI creates quizzes for your courses. In 2025, platforms like Kajabi use AI to personalize student experiences, boosting engagement. These tools save hours, letting you focus on teaching and earning. Studies show AI-enhanced courses increase completion rates by 20%. Using AI for teaching? Tell us your favorite tool below. Strategy 9. Build a student community. Connect with learners for loyalty and growth in 2025. Create a community on Discord or X's #Skillshare community to engage students. Offer Q&As, share updates, and encourage feedback. In 2025, platforms like Teachable integrate community forums, increasing repeat sales. Research shows community-driven courses see 30% higher enrollments. Got a community for your course? Share how you built it below. Strategy 10. Reinvest earnings for wealth. Turn course income into lasting financial freedom in 2025. Use your course earnings to fund investments like low-cost ETFs or savings accounts. In 2025, platforms like Vanguard make reinvesting easy with auto deposits. Research shows reinvesting passive income can compound wealth 10x faster. Start small and watch your financial freedom grow. Let's recap. From identifying your skills to reinvesting earnings, these 10 strategies turn your knowledge into passive income for financial freedom in 2025. Start teaching today and build wealth stress-free. Which strategy are you trying first? Share in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more knowledge-packed videos. Hit the bell for weekly updates and check the links below for our skill monetization guide. Thanks for watching, knowledge seekers. We'll see you in the next video.